Is it time to buy or sell Atlassian stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Atlassian. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 30th of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of September 2025, our system has ranked Atlassian as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.02. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -1.67%. This translates to an average loss of -0.42% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline is likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 20% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from approximately -33% to -10%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected decline of about 21%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a drop of over 56% to an increase of around 37% in the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $69.75 and $218.94. Our latest daily update for Atlassian includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Atlassian Corporation Plc stock after losing 3.39%. The Atlassian Corporation Plc stock price fell by 3.39% on the last day, Tuesday, the 30th of September, 2025, from $165.31 to $159.70. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.89% with a day low of $157.58 and a day high of $165.29. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 7.17% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 983,000 shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 3 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $522.5 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $326, and the lowest price was $155.37. Currently, the price is 51.01%, or $166.30, below the 52-week high, and 66.94%, or $323.43, below the all-time high on October 29, 2021, when the price reached $483.13. Atlassian is back in the headlines following a series of strategic moves aimed at enhancing its artificial intelligence and developer productivity initiatives. In mid-September, the company announced its intention to acquire the developer intelligence platform DX for approximately $1 billion, marking its largest acquisition to date. This deal is designed to assess and accelerate engineering output as more enterprises adopt artificial intelligence. The appointment of Jason Warner, a founder of a leading artificial intelligence laboratory, to the board further emphasizes this strategic shift. Management has also been discussing plans for deeper integration of artificial intelligence across its product offerings, including a new browser initiative that could enhance customer loyalty. In the near term, we can anticipate a positive market sentiment and increased trading activity. The DX acquisition and focus on artificial intelligence may lead to analyst upgrades and momentum buying. However, it is important to recognize that integration costs and potential dilution from the deal could exert pressure on profit margins and introduce volatility in the upcoming quarters. Looking further ahead, successful execution of these strategies could result in heightened revenue growth, increased monetization of artificial intelligence features, broader gross margins, and a justifiable expansion of valuation as Atlassian strengthens its position in the enterprise market. Nevertheless, key risks remain, including challenges in execution, competitive pressures, and macroeconomic influences on enterprise information technology spending. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 30th of September 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Team an overweight rating with an initiate action. On Thursday, the 11th of September 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned Team a buy rating with an initiate action. On Monday, the 18th of August 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Team a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 8th of August 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Team an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of July 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Team a hold rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Atlassian stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also recommend a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Atlassian. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 1.08%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near short-term development. The Atlassian Corporation Plc stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On any upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $164.89 and $169.31. A breakout above either of these thresholds will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 35 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 145 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 136 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Atlassian. Atlassian Corporation Plc finds support for an accumulated volume at $159.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $7.70 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.89%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.4%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Atlassian, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 83 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Atlassian. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Atlassian is at $163.99. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Atlassian encounters its first support level at $159.28. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Atlassian from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Michael Cannon-Brooks, who bought and sold 7,288 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 35.358. Overall, insiders acquired 287,379 shares and disposed of 136,293 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there has been no stop loss established. Is Atlassian stock a good buy? Atlassian Corporation Plc holds several negative signals and is currently experiencing a broad and declining trend. As a result, we believe its performance will continue to be weak in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our evaluation of the stock is negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 1st of October, we anticipate Atlassian will open higher by $1.16, starting at $160.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.